Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by making sure your phone and account are ready. Check that your device meets OS requirements and update the Google app. This avoids compatibility issues. Sign into the Google account you want linked to Voice Assistant, and then grant microphone and location permissions so the assistant can hear and personalize responses. Once done, verify language and region settings match your speech pattern. This reduces recognition errors. Now that prerequisites are handled, you'll now enable voice match so the assistant recognizes you. Open the Google app, go to Settings, then Voice, and tap Voice Match. Turn on the Hey Google toggle and follow the prompts to record 3 short phrases. This trains the voice model to your voice. Make sure you allow background activity and lock screen responses if you want hands-free use when the phone is asleep. Once the model is saved, test by saying Hey Google and a simple command to confirm activation. Finish by customizing assistant settings. Choose your default assistant app, preferred music and navigation providers, and linked smart devices. Test several command types, call a contact, send a message, or start navigation, so you confirm permissions and account links. If responses are poor or Hey Google doesn't trigger, retrain the voice model and verify microphone permissions. Sometimes a quick restart fixes background access problems. If one tip fails, methodically check settings and repeat the training, because consistent voice samples significantly improve reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.